Hey guys, we're back today, and we're working on this 2015 Outback. I'm sure you guys had to take the taillights out, rear bumper. You know, if you guys at home want to do some of this at home, instead of taking it to a dealership or body shop, probably save you some money. I think 15 to 18 all the same. So let's start with taking the taillight out. Show you guys how to take the rear left taillight out. It has, it's like most Subarus, it's got these little two plastic screw type of clips. Pull them out. These guys, and then this cover does come out. You get a pick, a bunch of grimes, probably got some clips on the edges somewhere. There you go. Come on. I'm not trying to break anything. There he goes. It's got this guy right here holding it. So this piece comes off, and then you literally have these two 10s right here. There's one here, this on the 8. It's a 10 right here, and one right here. And then this thing should, if you give it, you know, a couple taps right here, it will come out. And let's see. Apparently, this thing, I guess it unplugs like this. And so the taillight has these sliding tabs that are right here on the car. You make sure that these things slide into here when going back in, or you're gonna have a problem. So same way going back in, you know, plug these back into where they go, and then just guide this into here and make sure that these two, as you're going in, you can kind of see them going. Don't force it because you'll break it. And then put your two 10s back in, and put the beauty cover and put the clips back in. I'm not gonna put it back on because we're gonna, you know, items gonna be for sale. So if you guys need this taillight, it will be for sale. What I'm going to do though is I'm gonna put this thing back onto here, because if you need a taillight, you probably need this piece as well. And I'll put these back on. So that's how I take the left taillight out. Again, going back in is the exact same way. Don't force anything, or else you'll end up breaking something. So I'm going to show you guys how to take the taillight out.